Here are all the other tractors. These are way bigger actually. Do you like that one?
Oh no, sorry.
It's nice. Here's all the other tractors. Look at that spinning out. Oh look, my tractors. Ah. That's a nice joke there.
Go up now, look.
Nah. Yeah, I'll go up as well.
Do you like that one?
I like that one. So now we're gonna go up and have a look at it. Sure. Oh my god. And you got a whole view.
I'll have one down there. Oh! Oh, sharks!
Look at all my tractors. They're big enough though, like. Right, go on, Mum, take the photo.
I don't go all day. Oh!
Take the photo. Sorry there. Take the photo. Okay.
And leave these standing. Suppose there was a gate there, I could lock me in. What? I said, suppose there was a gate there, I could lock me in.
Try that then.
Very, very.
I dare you. Ugh. Look at the New Hollands.
I can see somewhere that sells chocolate or something. Do you want something?
Yeah, in a minute.
Are you hungry, Noah? No.
They're my favourite tractors.
Don't.
Tell me why I like these tractors.
Because they're blue and you're from Dublin.
Ahem. That's for the viewers. I love these. And look at them. What?
It's 245 horsepower. Do you not?
Jeez, there's a whole load of them around here.
Yes.
Let's go, come on. No, let's go over to McHale's. So now we're going over to McHale's. It's down to rain.
It's red.
So these are now the balers that we're going up to now. Here's a look.
Oh, there's your new windrower.
What? Forget what pet this is. What's this now?
Oh, the windrower. It rolls up 3 small grass lines into one big one. Oh, that's the one that does it, is it? Yes. These are only new now.
Look at the big ones over there.
Yeah.
Wrapper, then I don't know what that is there. Baler. Cunt mass, you know what?
You'll have to see your dad down here to see these new ones.
He's probably already here. Obviously. Oh my god. It's like a baler and a wrapper together. This place. We got a nice little roof over us. All these fellas.
It's not big, is it?
No. It's in.
Really?
It's a wrap bit and a baler.
Oh, is that what this is?
Oh, it's raining like nothing.
See those two, see that yoke and that yoke. Wrap goes in there.
Right.
When a bale comes
And the
out,
wrapping paper
and
goes up there.
lets them out here.
Good weather. So they're big enough, aren't they?
And here's the bigger version of it.
Yeah.
Actually, they're Fusion 3. This is Fusion 3 base. It's a Fusion 3 variant.
Is that the new edition now?
No, I don't know.
Here, will you listen? Don't move from here. I just want
Yeah, no, don't move from here. Don't do that.
to. You can. I mean,
Yeah, I know, we'll be around. Yeah, we know.
It's locked.
No, it's not, it's green. Oh, this is like a little one. Oh, this one unloaded.
No. You put it on the back of your tractor. What it does is you put a bit of straw into it and it shreds the bale. And it puts
Yeah.
it out here and it makes it into bedding.
Oh, yeah. These are lawnmowers. So these are lawnmowers now. We need one for our house. Screen's getting all watery. Let's head up this way.
I think we will see down here now for the time being. Yeah?
This is massive.
Forgot about one more tractor called the Massey. His favourite. What?
A massive Ferguson.
Oh, yeah, you guide the way. Are they the, what one are they? I don't know.
Like the red tractor's over there.
Oh, yeah. There's a lot of people here. It's a little too much, actually. Seriously, no, it's called the Ploughing Championships and I haven't seen one plough. That's amazing.
You're plowing outside of it.
Yeah.
So when you're coming in, you should be able to see it in the field.
What's that? That's lovely.
That's the same thing that we
That's
saw.
a baler over there.
What's that? Is that a big or two? Oh, that's lovely.
Oh, here, the vision. Oh no, look at this. Look at this. More big ones.
I like that.
Someone bought that tractor. 172. Okay.
These are all the Masseys now. There we go, colours back. No, I still like the New Hollands, I think. I still like them. I know, they're bigger. My favourite colour is blue, so yeah. That's a double one, that's a double one.
No.
Ah, there's one other one on the side. Oh no, my phone's water. Oh. It is lashing.
Not too bad. come into the Fine Gael tent.
Oh, the Fine Gael tent. Where's that? Apparently there's a Fine Gael tent. Yeah, but Enda Kenny's gone.
Yeah. I'm not joking, I'm only joking, we just passed by it.
Colours back. So much rain. What? Now it's flashing. Well, I'll see you in a few minutes for part 4 or 5, I don't know, 4, alright? See you in a few minutes.